In question 5, we're looking at colligative properties. And so we're going to add approximately 11 grams of sodium chloride, which measures out to about 2 teaspoons, to a pot containing 2 gallons of water. This might be something similar to what some of you do when you cook pasta. So is adding that salt to the water going to influence the boiling point of the water to any significant amount? So the equation that we need here is that the change in boiling point is equal to the molality times the molal boiling point constant for water, and that we can find in the front of the exam, times the Van Hoff factor. So we can easily fill in Kb. Again, we can find that on the front of the exam, 0.52 degrees Celsius per molal. And I for sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is an ionic compound. When it dissolves in water, it's going to dissociate into 2 particles. So our I value here is 2. To calculate molality, we need the moles of the solute. So 11 grams of sodium chloride times 1 mole over 58.5 grams. So that's going to be our number of moles of sodium chloride. We got 0.19 moles. In the denominator, we need the mass of the water in kilograms. Now it's given to us in gallons, so we're going to need to convert that. Again, this is not a conversion we would be expected to know, so we find that conversion on the front of the exam. 1 liter is 0.264 gallons. So if we calculate that out, we get 7.6 gallons. We get 7.6 liters of water. And we can convert that into mass using the density. Water has a density of 1 gram per milliliter, or 1 kilogram per liter. So that's 7.6 liters. Because this is water, will correspond to 7.6 kilograms. We can fill in that value in our molality equation, and we find that the molality here is 0.025. So we now plug that into our freezing point depression equation. And when we calculate this, we get that delta T is equal to 0.026 degrees Celsius. So if the normal boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, we can add that delta T. And so we find that adding 2 teaspoons of water, or 2 teaspoons of salt to our water, only raises the boiling point by 26 1/1000ths of a degree.